Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about how to fix Instagram bug in iPhone. The answer is simple. You just have to go to the settings, as you see now. Scroll down to the apps, okay, and then go to the search, and there search on Instagram. Now go to the storage, and now can clear cache. Just clear cache and go check it if it worked. If it didn't work, you can maybe try to restart the phone, and if it didn't work again, you can try to clear data, but be careful, you will lose all your data. So that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.